Hi friends, welcome back. Our today's task is to get a data from any website, and from that data we have to get a lowest and highest NAV values. So for this we are going to open any website and we will select last 10 years data, and then we will paste in Excel, and then we will create three columns. So one is year, lowest NAV and highest NAV, and then we will create formula to get the values. In that, we have to start from current year, then in descending order. Let's start. Okay, so we have selected Reliance Nippon Life Insurance Company website, and then fund name is Make in India Fund. Then select any from date. So for 10 years, we will select 2014 Jan 1st and today's date. Let's see. Depending on the data size, it will take some time. Perfect. So download Excel file. Open that. Copy the data and paste in our master file. Perfect. Now we have to convert this data into table. For this, the shortcut key is Control L. Remove the banded rows and change the format as you like. Okay, then give some name. I'm renaming as data. Okay, so here create three columns. One is year and lowest NAV, highest NAV. Perfect. Here I'm going to enter year with the formula. So year of today's date. Perfect. Now here -1. To 2024. Perfect. Now give some formatting. Okay. Yes, perfect. Here, with the help of this data, we are going to get the values from this column. So we are going to use first min if yes function. So minimum range where we have to select this NAV column, comma, criteria range means we have to select the data from this date column. Select the date column, comma, greater than or equals, and date function. Here the year should be the first year, which is H6, comma, Jan 1st, comma, again select the date column, comma, now enter less than or equals and date function. Year again H6, comma. Now December 31st, close bracket. Perfect. See, in 2024, the lowest NAV is 24.84, 8132. Let's see. Lowest is 24.8132. Excellent. In the same way, we will get a data for highest NAV. Just column, copy this formula, paste here. Now we will enter max EFS function. Same thing. Now select 2024. In this, highest value is 26.6807. Perfect. Now copy these two formulas and see. In 2015 and 2014, there is no NAV. It is started in 2016 only. That's why these two are 0. So we can remove this, or else we can keep this as it is. Hope you understood this section. If you have any doubts or queries, as always, you can use the comment box. Thank you. Thank you for your valuable time. Bye.